equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of repairing the lower case of your Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the repair. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the lower case. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the case in place. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. After successfully removing the lower case, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. Now, let's inspect the area that needs repair. If you notice any cracks or damage, you may need to replace the lower case entirely. If you're unsure about the extent of the damage, consider our quote before repair service, which can provide you with an estimate before you commit to any repairs. If you have the replacement part ready, align it with the existing clips and gently press down until it clicks into place. Ensure that all edges are securely fitted. If you're feeling overwhelmed by this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once the new lower case is in place, it's time to reattach the screws. Make sure to tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. After all screws are in place, give the laptop a gentle shake to ensure everything is secure. Finally, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it on. Check to see if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide no calls, no travel service, making it easy for you to get the help you need without the hassle. And that's it. You've successfully repaired the lower case of your Lenovo IdeaPad 3. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us for support. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.